On today's video, I wanted to show you guys my typical everyday hair products, so let's get right into it. Starting off with shampoo and conditioner. Now, everyone always wants to know, how often do I wash my hair? I typically wash my hair every 2 to 3 days. If I go for the third day, it's because I'm staying home, I'm wearing my hair up in an oily, greasy, nasty looking bun. If I want my hair to look nice, I wash it pretty much every second day, because if you have fine hair, you have an oily scalp, your hair's gonna look greasy if you don't wash it. So every 2 to 3 days, but even if you need to wash it every day, that's totally fine if you have oily hair. So the shampoo and conditioner that I use right now the most, sort of my everyday shampoo and conditioner, is the Dove Bond Strength Peptide Complex Shampoo and Conditioner. So I started using those a couple months ago. First time using drugstore products in over a decade, and I was blown away. I love these. They have made my hair feel so smooth and shiny while maintaining body and volume, and have helped my hair get a lot stronger and break a lot less. So I'm loving these. I do have other shampoos I switch in for clarifying purposes, toning purposes, things like that. That's for a different video. These are my go-to shampoo and conditioner that I use the most when I just want to clean my hair. Then pretty much every single time I wash my hair, I blow dry my hair. I very rarely air dry my hair. That would be an exception. So 99.9% of the time I'm going to blow dry my hair, and pretty much every time I blow dry my hair, I put in volumizing mousse. My hair is 100% flatter without volumizing mousse. I do not get all of this bounce and body. Obviously I styled my hair as well, but the style would not look like this without volumizing mousse. This is the Design Me Puff Me Volumizing Mousse. I have several that I like, but this is the one I've been using the most lately, and I do love this one because it has heat protection in it as well. So usually I will just put this in my hair and then go straight in with my blow dryer. No other added heat protection necessary. Most days I don't just blow dry my hair, because my hair straight from the blow dryer is going to have a bit of a frizzy, fluffy finish. It's not going to be as silky, smooth, and kind of flowy the way that I like it. I like my ends to have this kind of blowout movement, but I don't like to take the time with a round brush, so I typically go in with my thermal styling brush, which is a hot round brush, to give myself this style. So before I do that, I add another layer of heat protection. For that, I use the Firewall by AG, and I will put all these products in the description so you guys can see. I think you can probably get all of them on Amazon as well, but you can typically find them at most drugstores, Ulta, Sephora, things like that. But this is the Firewall by AG. The reason I like this one for my dry hair is it comes out as a really fine, like almost very dry mist. So if you've ever tried to use a more wet heat protectant on your dry hair before you add heat, you kind of spray it on and then you have to wait for it to dry before you can add the heat. This goes on, it's totally dry immediately, and you can just add your heat right away. So if I am going to heat style after blow drying, another layer of heat protection, because we always want to add a layer of heat protection for every layer of heat. So last but not least, on the days that I don't wash my hair and I want to use a dry shampoo, the one that I have been using ever since I tried it is the Powder Baby Natural Dry Shampoo. I did used to use the aerosolized dry shampoos in the past. I did not like how dry they made my hair look, though. I liked that they absorbed oil and left me not looking oily, but they also left my hair looking very dry and dull and brittle. This one does not do that. This one sucks up all the oil, but leaves my hair looking clean, leaves some natural shine. It definitely doesn't add as much oomph and volume as the aerosolized dry shampoos, but I can get that with other products. I love this stuff. This dry shampoo is going to be one of the products you can't find on Amazon because it's from a small business in the US, but I will add a link to this stuff in the description as well if you want to try it out. Mine is a white powder. It does come out as a little shaker. Probably shouldn't leave it open, otherwise it kind of fluffs up on you. You should close it before you store it so you don't make a mess. It is a powder, super easy to sprinkle on your hair, no worries there. But if you're worried about the color being white, I get white because I get the color platinum because my hair is so blonde. They have a yellowy toned one for more golden blondes. They have a light brown, a dark brown, and a black one. So if you struggle with feeling like dry shampoos leave your hair looking gray and powdery, this stuff comes in different shades, so you don't have to worry about that at all. That's it. Those are the products that I use on my hair on a regular basis. If I'm not doing anything special, I'm not trying to get like a ton of volume or do a fun style. I'm just kind of doing my everyday go about my life hair. Those are my products that I use. If I had to get rid of all the other products, those are the products that I would keep, and the ones that I feel like I could not live without. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's any specific products you guys would like me to talk about, or any of my other hair routines you guys would like me to show you. Thank you so much for being here and watching today. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and like and subscribe because it really helps me out.